Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello, sister! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko para sa iyo is sana yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay isa-isa mong matupad kasama ng iyong pinakamamahal na asawa. God bless! Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Hi Ate Me! Happy birthday! Enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Cheers to more years!
Hi Ate May, happy birthday! At birthday mo ngayon, naligo ako. Gusto mo yan? Ayun, wish ko ay sana matupad yung lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. And ayun, I miss you. See you soon. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit. Babush!
Hello, baby girl! Buti na lang naka-makeup ako nung hiningan ako ng video. Nakapaganda ako ng very lang. Happy birthday! Happy 40th birthday! Wala na akong mawi-wish pa. May love life ka na. May asawa ka na. Yes! And sana lang patuloy kang maging masaya at ang married life nyo. Mag-ingat ka dyan. Mag-ingat kayong mag-asawa dyan. And good health na lang. At happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Salamat sa pag-like ng mga...
Salamat sa pag-guest sa kanya.
Salamat sa
Sige na, maiksi lang to.
guesting sa amin. Tsaka wag kang di namin makakalimutan na ipag-pray ka.
Ayan.
God bless.
Happy birthday!
Happy 40th birthday. Akalain mo, 40 na. Napakaganda oh, batang bata. Kala mo, kaka-30 oh. Oh, ay, size 9, size 9. Ay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mayan! Happy birthday! Wish you good health and more babies to come.
Ako rin, sana magkaroon ka na ng baby.
Magkaroon ka na naman, madaming babies.
Baby pa rin daw.
Wish granted na yung boyfriend. Ngayon may asawa na. Baby naman.
Yes.
For the baby.
Baby.
Happy birthday! Cielo! Love you!
Love you, mga.
Thank you naman!
Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip.
Happy birthday,
Tita,
Tita.
Mayan,
Mayang.
happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! From Consul family, wishing you all the best in life.
Good health.
And more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Ann! Yoo-hoo!
We miss you.
We miss you, we love you!
Miss you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mayan! You have many more birthdays to come. God bless you always!
Hey, baby girl. Happy, blessed, wonderful 40th birthday. I wish you all the best. And I missed you. And I missed the coffee time. And I pray that you'll have a blissful marriage and happiness all year round. I missed the old days. I missed all of you. And have a happy, wonderful birthday. Pasensya ka na sa outfit ng Ate Lala. I'm getting there. I love you all. I missed you all. Happy birthday once more. Stay healthy and safe. I love you.
Happy birthday, man! We miss you!
Yan, more blessings to come and good health always. Alam kong masaya ka na ngayon kasi natupad na iyong isang wish. Salamat sa mga araw na naging magkasama tayo, naging masaya tayo, meron mang tampuhan, meron mang minsan di nagkakaintindihan, pero at the end of the day tayo ang naging magkakasama. Salamat, hindi mo pa rin ako nakakalimutan at happy birthday ulit. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Wish you all the best, me. Sana magka-baby na.
Sana magka-baby ka na.
Basta ka na dyan. Kailan ka ulit uuwi?
Pasalubong.
Miss ka rin
Maybe
namin.
yung pasalubong na gusto niya.
Baby.
Baby shower na.
Ingat kayo. Ingat kayong dalawa.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ingat kayo dyan.
Bye-bye.
Hi Nang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Yun lang. Wish you all the best and sana pag pumunta ko ulit sa Philippines, kasama na kami. Kasama na kami sa pag-meet ulit. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Na-wish ko na yung mga ano natin, yung mga biglang kain, mga banding-banding sa console. Yun lang. Bye-bye! Ingat!
Happy birthday, Ninang Mayan.